Don Quijote, and this ain't no normal Don Quixote, this is a mega Don Quixote. If you're watching this, you already know what a Don Quixote is, but if you don't, it's basically like a Walmart of Japan with lots of course, Japanese stuff that both local people as well as tourists just have fun going to. Obviously, the locals like the price because it's really affordable. There's not a lot of customer service. They just kind of pile everything on the shelves. But at the same time, for a tourist, it's a nice place to get souvenirs on the cheap. So let's go see what this Don Quixote has to offer. And it's mega. This is very common. They usually have some good deals or sales right at the front. Again, stacked up. But this is what they normally look like. The aisles are just filled with stuff. Electronics, beauty stuff, accessories, luggages. Right here, there's a whole bunch of coolers. I mean, it's just a hodgepodge of different products. Very random, but there's this Coleman wagon here. Not a lot of presentation going on, just the box on the shelf. You've got clothes, socks, underwear, women's wear, beauty products, makeup, skincare, hair care. I mean, literally everything. Drugstore makeup lover's dream here. But I'm gonna look for the food because that's what I like to look at. This might be one of the biggest Don Quixotes I've ever been to. And here we are. I take that back. We're actually in the pet food area. They even have stuff for your animals here. This place is so big. The food's actually downstairs and this lady's helping me find it. This is crazy. There's a whole nother floor here. Wow! This is where all the food is. And it looks like a grocery store basically down here. Okay, this is next level. I've never been to one that had a legit grocery store in it like this. They got a whole meat section in here. Some pork chops, pork for grilling. This is, what is this for? It's probably for another pork dish. They've got chicken over here, some seafood, tuna, probably sushi grade, octopus too, wow. Sushi platters, nigiris. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. Sushi rolls, they got you. Some assorted seafood side dishes, seaweed, jellyfish, yeah, they got you. Sashimi, salmon fillets, more seafood. Wow, this is crazy. They got whole fish, shirasu. I don't know, it's these tiny little fishes. Either mackerel or sardines. I forget which one, but they have whole fish here too. All right, natto lovers. This is the biggest selection of natto I've seen in a long time. If you're not familiar, this is what natto is. It's a fermented soybean. Comes in these little styrofoam packs. You put it on rice, maybe have some raw egg on it, soy sauce. If I'm counting real quick, at least 30 options here. Even produce. This is a legit grocery store down here. See what I'm saying? It's like a Walmart, a superstore Walmart. I was gonna say it's like a Walmart, but it's not a superstore. This one is legit like a grocery store in here. So yeah, drugstore, gift shop, grocery store, just general goods, clothes, everything you could ever want. But very Japanese products like this. This is called shiso leaf. It's kind of a Japanese herb. It's got a really unique flavor. I really love it. Something you don't see very often in the States, sliced up green onions. Really common as a topping, whether it's a ramen, maybe some stir fry, like even the white parts of green onion as well. Really long asparagus here, heads of broccoli, a ton and a ton of mushrooms. Bananas. I always like looking at their bananas because they have such a variety here. This is kind of the standard bananas, but they've got these smaller versions too, really organized by size here. In Japan, they love to package their fruit all nice. Even the apples get treated like royalty in a tiny little styrofoam net to keep it from bruising. Just to give you an idea of the pricing, this is $498. That equates to about $2, oh no, $1.75 each apple. Look at these golden kiwis. I apologize for all the background noise, by the way. Golden kiwis, same thing, packaged all nicely. I don't know what I'm watching here, but it's quite funny. In Japan, it's really common to eat cabbage and really finely shredded cabbage. If you're doing a tonkatsu, it's nice as a side, or really it's actually part of the dish, but they've got it mixed up with some carrots, some red cabbage over here. This one is only carrots, and yeah, different options too. So I saw this for the first time at a 7-Eleven. Individually, oh, already cooked too. Individually wrapped, already cooked corn on the cob. I have never experienced that. When I say experienced that, I've just never seen it. That's crazy. Normally the kernels are harder like this, not cooked, firm, hard. This one, I'm not squeezing hard, by the way. Wow. Leave it to the Japanese. Thinking of everything. So pizzas are very popular here. Same thing, kind of individually wrapped. Look at these grapes, just to give you an idea. Those are my fingers. Tiny little grapes all clumped together. Cherries are in season right now. Lots of cherries. I think these are longans. Yeah, longans. I'm not sure if you're familiar, but watermelons are a thing here, and they'll gift watermelons. These ones are interestingly wrapped in this, I don't know, what would you call these little ties or these ropes. If we were at a fancy grocery store, which we are not at a fancy grocery store, because if you were at a normal grocery store or department store, grocery store, these would be all wrapped, ready to gift, and they'd be super expensive. These guys right here are about $9 each, which is a good deal compared to what I've been paying lately. Oh, very nice looking though. I bet they're really good. We got some small watermelons over here, and I think this is muskmelon. Never seen these in the States. All right, so they've got a lot of tea, especially green tea. I believe this is the same brand that they have at Costco right here. It looks the same too. They don't have the English on there, but that is the brand that you see. I think Ito-en maybe. They sell it at Costco. Got green tea. I think that's a different type of green tea. Oh look, this brand sells the green tea with the roasted goma, or roasted, not goma, roasted rice. As you can imagine, tons of noodles, lots of ramen. These are all different ramen packs. This is a refrigerator, so it's not frozen. Fresh noodles. If you like noodles, come to Japan. They got you. Oh, this is hiyashuka. This is a cold noodle dish. Highly recommend for the summer. Dang, hella kimchi here. Oh, it's a garlic kimchi? Guessing there's a lot of garlic in that. I believe I've seen this in the States, maybe at H Mart. Looks delicious. If you've ever been to Don Quijote in Tokyo, probably makes sense that they have more touristy stuff, because in the middle of the city, they've got tons of other grocery store or other like food options. I've never seen the grocery department so built out like this. I could just vlog this area. I want to go check out other things, but yeah, if you're hungry. Oh, and I wanted to say, I'm not in the Tokyo area, at least the proper Tokyo area. I'm in Yokohama, so it's a city south of Tokyo. Need some condiments? They got you. I'm getting a little overwhelmed. I mean, I'm getting lost in this Don Quijote. Food, as far as the eye can see. It's not Kewpie, but it looks similar. Just a giant thing of mayonnaise. Here we go. This is where the real Kewpie's at. Let's look for it. Let's look for it. Oh, look. A little tiny bottle. Oh, a pink one. What is this? Maybe it's, maybe lower calories, I'm assuming. Let me know if that's what that means. It says 70%. Real one? Let's look for the real one. Still in progress, 100 years. Wow, Kewpie's 100 years old. That's cool. By the way, Kewpie, if you're watching this, I'm one of your biggest fans. I advocate for the real Kewpie in America. Really nothing against it, but I'm not a fan of it. I like the real stuff. But if you're celebrating 100 years, congratulations. I would like to work with you, so hit me up. This is interesting. Mentaiko, or mentaiko. This is fish egg mayonnaise, mentai mayonnaise type, so it's probably flavored. It's even got kind of a pinkish color, which I'm not really too sure about. This is a competitor brand, Ajinomoto, MSG company. They got their own mayonnaise. Look at this, super tiny. Look at this. Should I buy this as a gift?
No.
I think this is probably about 60 cents.
What would you do?
Just give it to people. Kind of fun. Mia has a good idea. You can put that on the table next to the salt and pepper. So you have real Kewpie. Not sure what this is. It's some kind of meat. Is it pig feet? I don't know what it is. Some kind of animal bones. Okay, so when I came down here, I went to the left. There's a whole nother section to the right. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, these are all the frozen foods. There's a whole bunch of prepared foods here. Oh, that tonkatsu looks delicious. More katsu. Lots of deep fried stuff here. Some gyozas, green gyoza, more gyoza. I think this might be pork belly. Looks delicious. Karaage. I can smell it. This is Japanese deep fried chicken. Marinated, breaded, then deep fried. If you ever get a chance to try karaage, order it. They have it in America too at a Japanese restaurant. Okay, I'm just showing you this section because, again, what is going on at this Don Quijote? Lots of ham, lots of bacon, sausages. I mean, tons and tons of sausage options. Okay, yakisoba is a Japanese fried noodle, but have you had it on a hot dog bun? They got it here if you haven't. Or how about tonkatsu with what looks like lots of mayo on a hot dog bun, and then more katsu on a hot dog bun. They love their corn too here in Japan. These onigiris are looking legit. I think that's some kind of fish, maybe a fish that looks like scrambled eggs or maybe like an omelet. Okaka, salmon, lots of onigiris here. These fun onigiris that are wrapped in a way that protects the seaweed so it stays crispy. Packaged donuts. Next to pastries that are filled with a hot dog. And it keeps going on and on and on. Yeah, let's go look up there. I could hang out here all day. I know the kids are starting to get bored. Well, they actually want me to help find the stationery area, and I don't blame them because this is so big. You get a little lost and confused. I thought that was a real lady standing there. Juices. In Japan, the juices are legit. Probably the best one, or the one that stands out, is their apple juice is on a whole nother level. Just try their apple juice. You'll thank me later, but honestly, all their apple juices. Another thing that we don't have very much of, they have a lot more here, peach drinks. So peach juices, peach smoothies. I think this is a corn pottage or corn soup, a packaged corn soup in a container. Looks like milk. And then, of course, because this is a legit grocery store, they've got lots of milk options. Look how much smaller their milk containers are. I bet you this milk is legit too. Really good, really delicious. It's cool that they have so many options here, but I would say Japanese milk, for the most part, tastes better than American milk. You notice something different here? They do not refrigerate their eggs because you don't have to. You can keep eggs out and they do stay shelf stable for a while. I think at least a few weeks. Got the white eggs, got the brown eggs, more white eggs, more brown eggs. Quail eggs is a thing here. Lots of options. This lady again promoting some kind of yogurt, Greek yogurt I'm thinking. Trying to recall if we have this many yogurt options. They got a ton here. A common flavor that's not so common for us. Grape flavored yogurt, mango orange. Aloe yogurt. Yes, aloe flavored yogurt. Pineapple yogurt. This is unusual. Is this just dough? Oh no, this is the actual pizza. This is refrigerated pizzas. I've only seen them frozen, but never refrigerated like that. Big old bags of shredded cheese. So this is another thing that's cool about Japan's ice. This ice is technically clear ice. It's all broken up into bigger pieces than in America, but guess what else they have? Cocktail ice. Let's look at them. They got big old blocks of ice you can chop yourself. That's cool. Let's look at these guys. Whoa, that is nuts. Yeah, cocktail ice, but these are big blocks that I'm guessing are, is it clear? I wonder if it is clear or not. Stateside, we also have big blocks of ice, but it's not clear, and it's not even like a solid piece of ice. It's like they take chunks of ice and just squish them together, so you can't really use it for cocktail ice. But that one, that was a legit clear ice cube, just a giant block of it. All right, so I'm gonna go back upstairs because that was kind of ridiculous. I didn't even vlog this area. It's all Japanese snacks. Hey, where's the candy kits that you guys want? Let me see. Let me see.
I didn't get that one. So this.
So I guess you can't get these in America. What'd you get?
You could make boba.
Boba?
It's just like you could make little things, and it's like gummies.
Oh, that's cool. Really cute. I do like these, even though it is ultimately candy. It's kind of crafty. Smart.
There was one that's actually pizza.
Oh, wow.
So they do have these, but there's a lot more options. Okay, tell me that ain't cute right there. Just a lot of crafty snacks. That's really cool looking.
This is a thing in Japan where they sell a whole bunch of snacks all attached to each other in a chain like this. So you don't buy just one, you buy the whole chain. I'm not sure why they do that, but it's been like that forever, ever since I was a little kid. So 40 years ago, probably even longer. This is a crushed up ramen snack. Mia says it's really good. I'm a sucker for gummies. This one looks very interesting. What is this? What is this? Is this the butt? It's showing me the butt. Okay, that's funny.
You put the straw in milk.
Yeah.
And then it tastes
Oh,
like whatever it is.
so this is a straw that has flavors in it for milk.
Yeah.
Interesting.
This is, I think, peach.
Okay, I've never heard of that before.
might be-
They think of everything here. This, a big katsu in a package. This is legit real katsu sold in a package, shelf stable. Is this a chicken nugget? Yeah, it's like maybe a freeze-dried chicken nugget. That's a cute little basket. It's like a mini basket here.
They're right behind you. Daddy, look what they... Wait.
Here, does it look strange when I'm holding it like this?
No. It looks strange when you're holding the big one.
I just told them this is the best place to shop because they have everything here. Literally everything. Did you see the grocery store downstairs? I just vlogged this. This is getting trendy in America. I believe these are from Taiwan. It's just like a milk drink in a baby bottle.
They have a strawberry flavor, an orange flavor.
Can I get
But yeah,
You want to get one of those?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead. And that's about it. We've been in here way too long. Girls had a lot of fun. You can get a lot of really practical things, practical products, a lot of good gifts. Best part is this, it's a great deal. It's a great value shopping here at Don Quijote. Definitely worth the visit if you have one near you, or even if you just want to ride the train and go an hour away from Tokyo.